Sad man from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
So, Sheikh, if someone sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, and I hear it, and I say Yarhamukallah, but I do not make a sound, I say it while moving the lips, is it sufficient?
No, you have to make him hear it so that he would feel that you are a brothers of his. Why do you say it silently? He would find something in his heart against you. My Muslim brother heard me sneeze and say Alhamdulillah, and he does not reply to me by saying Yarhamukumullah. Maybe he doesn't want Allah to have mercy on me. Maybe he hates me. Maybe there's enmity between me and him. This is what shaitan does. So no, you have to raise your voice.